We have two waves coming in here. One coming in tomorrow in through Friday, and then the Friday night through Saturday storm. That looks to bring some good snowfall, especially in the mountains above 5,500 feet. And that's where we have a winter storm watch again. This winter storm watch will probably turn into a winter storm warning as we head into the weekend. But right now, a watch is posted for locations above 5,500 feet around the Snake River Plain and into central Idaho with these two systems coming on shore. Now, the first one's already with us in western Idaho with scattered rain and snow coming across the Great Basin heading into southwest Idaho. The second system is still waiting in the wings here along the coastline, and that's going to be the Saturday storm that comes through, and that could bring a couple of good inches for the Snake River Plain. So for tomorrow morning on the Vipercast, we're starting to see that snow creeping into Challis, possibly getting into Salmon already by tomorrow morning with a fair amount of cloud cover. And it's going to be actually a rain-snow mix for anything that we do pick up because temperatures will be just into the mid-30s for the Snake River Plain. Of course, all snow into the mountains, it's going to be cold enough. But we do have that pocket of snow coming in through tomorrow afternoon, and that's what we're going to start to see. Some snow coming in here for Thursday afternoon and evening, and then overnight into Friday. Friday morning, we wake up with mainly cloudy conditions. Cloud cover all across Idaho and Wyoming with a few pockets of light snow to get the day started on Friday. More snow coming in for Friday afternoon, and then we're going to see the snow really start to pick up as we head into Saturday. Let's go to Saturday morning at 6 o'clock. Scattered snow, rain coming across the Snake River Plain heading into the high country. A rain-snow mix throughout much of Saturday, so some of this is going to be a slushy mix for the valley. Some heavier snowfall for western Wyoming and far eastern Idaho, but you may have noticed that the temperatures have warmed up a little bit with this southwest storm. So we're going to melt quite a bit of the valley snow, at least on the roadway surfaces, but it's going to freeze up at night with 17 for the low in Idaho Falls tonight, 15 for Jackson, 13 in Island Park, and 23 for Pocatello with 18 in Aberdeen. And we're into the lower 20s as you work towards American Falls. Teens for Montpelier and Bear Lake, and the teens also for Soda and Afton. Temperatures tomorrow are actually going to be a few degrees warmer, and we're pushing near 40 for Soda Springs at 37, and same for Lava, 40 for Malad, near 40 for Pocatello at 39. So we're going to melt quite a bit of the snow that's on the ground right now, at least for the Snake River Plain. Right at freezing for Jackson Hole, 35 for St. Anthony and Rexburg, upper 30s in Challis, and you're going to see the upper 20s to lower 30s as you work through Lemhi County with a little bit of some snow with us here for tomorrow. But snow, rain mixed in, and temperatures remaining into that mid-30s range, which means that we're going to get some good snow, good moisture development here for Friday and Saturday. Winds also pick up getting into the weekend. Once the storm clears, getting into next week, we're still looking at some cloud cover in the wake of the storm and some off and on snow showers and flurries. Looks like we're going to clear out just in time for Thursday, but it's going to be a cold Thanksgiving here with highs into the teens and 20s for Thursday. Pocatello highs for tomorrow afternoon. For tomorrow's Thursday, we're 39 degrees, but you look towards Thanksgiving, a high of 20 degrees. It's going to be a cold Thanksgiving, it looks like. Upper 30s for Saturday and mid-30s on Sunday with some scattered rain and snow. And if you're heading south, you may hit some heavy snow on Saturday morning, getting into Salt Lake along Malad. Rexburg highs into the mid-30s for Friday afternoon, 35 on Saturday. Scattered showers this weekend, and we're looking at a mix of rain and snow in Rexburg, but mostly snow, of course, in the morning hours on Saturday. Blackfoot a high here of 36 for Friday, 36 also on Saturday, dropping into the upper 20s on Monday throughout next week there. Salmon, you're looking at temperatures here staying a bit cold here for the next couple of days, warming to the lower 40s though on Saturday, so a mix of rain and snow this weekend. Colder conditions next week leading on to Thanksgiving with temperatures into the upper 20s by Wednesday of next week. Jackson, a chance of some snow here. We're going to get some good snow in the ski resort slopes. That's what we'd like to see with highs into the lower 30s on Saturday. Jane Carroll.
Prepare for more of the white stuff, as they say.
And burr, yeah.
Do you want to make a difference in a teenage boy's life? Then you want to pay special attention to Wednesday's child.